What is up? It's Fred from Influencer Unchained, and in today's video, by popular request actually, I'm gonna go through how I have been using TikTok to gain free massive exposure and how exactly you can use it combined with specific affiliate products to make money online. In my opinion, TikTok is one of the easiest and most consistent ways to get on-demand traffic even as a beginner, because you can easily get thousands of views on each video clip that you create, which only take about 10 to 15 minutes to make. And if you check out this image I've placed here, you'll see that I've managed to get almost 350,000 views on a single video clip, having only posted around 15 videos up to that point. And so I'm actually going to give you a full walkthrough of how I create videos on TikTok, plus my personal power tips that have actually been taught to me by a TikTok expert to help you get more views and engagement right off the bat. But before we begin, be sure to smash the like button because it does help me out, and for each like that this video receives, the more likely Microsoft will end up acquiring TikTok in the US to keep it going strong. Jokes aside, be sure to also subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell so that you'll know whenever I release a new cutting edge video about making money online and digital entrepreneurship just like this one. And with that, let's get right into the video. Jumping right onto my TikTok page, we can see that I have 5,600 followers with just under 20 posts. And now obviously, no one can guarantee that you'll get exactly the same results that I did. It could actually be better or it could be worse. But despite that, I can very confidently still say that given how easy it is you can create these TikTok videos to promote stuff, it's still going to be a very efficient and consistent way to get exposure and to potentially make money if done right. And before we get to which types of products you should promote and how I actually create these videos, in case you didn't know, TikTok is actually semi-region locked, meaning that both your Discover page will be receiving videos from your region, and your videos will also be placed in your region's Discover page. So for example, because I'm currently located in Taiwan, my videos will actually show up mostly on the Discover page of users in this region, which is also why I've included Mandarin subtitles in my videos. So that's just something you should keep in mind as well before you get into creating your own TikTok videos. And now, how do you actually promote stuff with TikTok? Well, first of all, with how its Discover page currently works, it's very easy to get eyeballs on any of your videos, especially if you have a good hook and a topic that resonates with people. And so what you would typically do is explain something within a video and then initiate a so-called call to action by telling people to click on the link in your bio, because you can't just direct link with your videos, but you can have a link to any website on your profile page, similar to what you can do on Instagram. And just to show you my link really quick, you can actually see it on the browser version of TikTok, so let me just exit out of this and switch to what it actually looks like on my phone. So I actually pre-recorded this, but as you can see here on my phone, within TikTok, you can actually see my website URL right below my username and all the other stuff right here. And to actually add a link, for example an affiliate link into your bio, all you need to do is to click on edit profile. So let me actually play this clip really quick so you can see. So here I've clicked on edit profile, and as you can see there's this space down here that says website, which is where you would actually enter that website URL. Moving on, let's now look at some of the best affiliate products you can promote, assuming you don't yet have your own course or coaching program, which could actually be a lot more profitable and sustainable if you want to use TikTok and other social media to build your personal brand. But anyway, the first recommendation I have that you can promote easily with TikTok with a very high potential conversion rate and consistency, in my opinion at least, is Audible, which is Amazon's audiobook platform. The reason that I think it's ideal is that you can actually promote this as a free audiobook, which actually comes with its free trial, and you can actually earn commissions starting from somebody signing up for the free trial without them having to pay anything. Yes! As you can see here, with a free 30-day membership, you can actually receive one audiobook of your choice, whether it be a Game of Thrones novel or a Harry Potter one or whatever you like, plus 2 more Audible originals, and people actually get to keep them if they even decide to cancel the free trial, again for which you would still receive a commission. And if you head to the page for Audible's affiliate program, which is actually housed under the Amazon Associates program, which you can sign up for free of course, if we just scroll down here and look at the information, as you can see here under standard fee structure, the commissions that you receive are $10 for somebody when they sign up for a gold membership. I love gold! And you actually, again, get $5 for just the free trial, and you also get additional 50 cents whenever somebody purchases an ebook. And in my TikTok video demo coming up, I'm going to actually use promoting Audible as my example, so stay tuned for that, because I'm also going to include a lot of hacks and tips that I'm sure will be very helpful for giving you that head start. But before we move into that, I'm going to quickly run through a few alternatives you can promote using TikTok. And the first of these is clickbank products. And in my opinion, for these, you want to focus on those with freebies or so-called lead magnets, because those are a lot easier to promote to cold traffic, which TikTok is mostly comprised of, because these are just giveaways that people can download for free, which then contain affiliate links within the ebook, for example. Or promoting products with landing page webinars or so-called free training could be viable as well. Anyway, either of these are better for specifically TikTok and cold traffic in general, because you can pitch them as free stuff. Speaking of which, a few of these products I know of that do come with a lead magnet are, first of all, His Secret Obsession, and then Brain Training for Dogs, as well as a Custom Keto Diet, among others. And again, these free PDFs that you give away, if generated from your ClickBank account, will generally contain your affiliate link that will earn you commissions. And ideally, you also want to have people fill out their email to receive these PDFs, so that you can build connections and promote further to these people using the pre-written email templates provided by these same ClickBank offers. To set up the download, you can use a platform like GetResponse, which is my preferred choice for both collecting emails and building the form collecting landing pages you can link to via your TikTok account. And having tried 3 different email autoresponder platforms, GetResponse is by far my favorite because it's easy to navigate, is a lot less buggy, and I find my email open rates to be superior as well. And best of all, it's got a lot of these really professional drag and drop templates for both emails and landing pages you can basically just plug and play with. For example, to set up a landing page for downloading your free PDF plus having someone fill in their email, you can simply select any of these ones with such a form such as this one. So this is what it'll look like, and then you can actually link to your PDF file that you can also upload right onto GetResponse's file section. Now, if you'd like to try GetResponse, which you can not only use for this TikTok method but also other ones as well, especially considering how powerful email marketing can be, I'll include a link below where you can sign up for 30 days for free without having to provide any payment information, which in my opinion is a huge plus. And if you do sign up and need some help setting anything up, feel free to just send me a message over on Instagram or on Facebook, and I'll be more than happy to assist you.
Thank you very much.
Alright, and now let's jump right into how to create a TikTok video step by step using promoting Audible as an example. So first, let me show you what the finished product actually looks like. I'm gonna hit play here.
Here's how you can get a copy of your favorite audiobook for free. Just sign up to Audible for free to receive your free audiobook, and if you want to, you can even cancel your account at any time without any cost and still keep your audiobook. Check out the link in my bio to sign up right away.
So that was actually quite simple to make, but there are definitely some subtle things I added in to make the clip a lot better. And so now I'm going to rewind this recording to the beginning to run through exactly how I did this step by step. Getting started, the very first thing you want to do is to go to your TikTok profile page, and then at the very bottom you'll see this plus sign where if you tap it you can actually begin your recording. So that's exactly what I'm going to do here. So let me just play this clip really quick, which was recorded from my phone obviously. Alright, so here I've begun the video creation process, and notice how the camera is currently facing forward from the back of my phone. So what you want to do if you want to record your face instead is click on the flip button here on the top right. Okay, so if I do that, it's going to switch the camera to my front facing selfie camera. And the next thing I want to do here is to tap on the filters button on the right, which is the third one from the top and from the bottom. Filters, and this is to change up the lighting and sort of the color composition of my shot to make things look nicer. So let me just demonstrate that. So here you can select normal, which is without any filter, and in my case I've actually selected F1 to make it just a little brighter because my room lighting wasn't quite sufficient enough. So here you'll see that I've selected F1, and then I've actually adjusted the slider to make it the correct or the optimal sort of contrast and brightness. Alright, and now I'm ready to begin recording. And for this part, I don't know why, but my phone recording didn't quite capture my voice here. So if you want to refer to what I said in my TikTok video, you can always go back to the parts of this video where I play out the whole clip, which will also be timestamped, by the way. But anyway, coming back to this demonstration, the very first thing you want to do before you even begin recording is, if you look at the very bottom at the center, you can actually select between a maximum time of 60 seconds and 15 seconds. And for this, I always suggest going with the 60-second option unless you really want to crunch your clip down to below 15 seconds, because that way you can ensure you don't run out of time, because 15 seconds can be quite short. And what's more is that selecting the 60-second option doesn't actually make your clip 60 seconds long, because it's merely just a cap of how long it can be. Which means, for example, if you record for say 20 seconds, that's how long your TikTok video is going to be. It's just going to be as long as how long you record for, with a cap of 60 seconds. Anyway, to begin recording, you merely need to hold down that red button at the very bottom, and you can also do retakes if you need to. And if you look at the X here, this actually means you can do a retake of that previous clip. So it's not the entire TikTok clip, so it's just the previous recording that you made, which I think is quite convenient. So for example, if you already finished one part, or the first part for example, and you're satisfied with it, you can actually just hit the recording button again to begin the next portion. Or on the other hand, if you're not satisfied with that first clip, you can just hit this X icon here to then redo that and just basically erase what you just recorded. And that is actually most of the stuff you need to know when it comes to recording your clips. But before we move on to editing tips to make your clips more engaging and stand out, I want to just quickly point out the general structure of this type of promotional TikTok video. First, you definitely want to have some kind of relatable hook to catch people's attention. And this will usually just be immediately telling people they can get some free stuff that they'll also want and is relatable, or addressing some kind of common problem people have. And then the middle portion will generally just be briefly explaining the websites and methods people can use to do this. And finally, the last part will be your call to action, telling people to click on the link in your bio. And now onto some editing tips you can really improve your clips with. First, we have trimming each clip if need be to remove any few seconds of unwanted footage, for example, to make your introduction start more immediately. And to do so, simply click on the Adjust Clips button on the top right here, which will actually take you to, this menu right here. So as you can see at the very bottom, there's actually a slider which you can adjust to change the start or end time of your entire clip, or you can actually tap at the very bottom on each individual clip if you need to shorten or trim those as well. Alright, and now that I've trimmed my clip a little bit, I'm gonna move on to the next editing trick to actually add some stickers to make my video pop a little bit more. To do this, simply go to the very bottom where there are these special effects you can add, including sounds, effects, text, and stickers. So for stickers, we obviously tap on stickers. And in this case, since I'm holding up I'm holding up a Harry Potter book to catch people's attention as well. So that's sort of another trick you can do. But anyway, here I'm gonna first search up Game of Thrones stickers to add to my clip. And then let me fast forward a bit. I'm also gonna add, some Harry Potter stickers as well. So here we have Daenerys on a dragon, if you know Game of Thrones. Next, I'm actually going to add some Harry Potter stickers, or rather just one sticker. And here they actually have a bunch of these animated ones as well, which is really nice. I'm going to add both these onto my video. And one very important thing you need to know about stickers is that you can actually set their durations on your video clip as well. So in my case, I actually set both of these stickers to only appear during my intro, and to do so you can simply tap on each sticker or the sticker you want to edit, and then select set duration, and then you'll be able to sort of crop how long you want the sticker to appear for on your video clip. For instance, here I have my Daenerys sticker cropped within just the intro, and as you can see, the red sliders here, this is very intuitive and very easy to use. And once you're finished, you can just hit the check mark at the bottom right to finalize your edit. Moving forward, the next thing you definitely want to add to your TikTok clips are changing captions for each part or scene. This was actually taught to me from a TikTok expert and has definitely helped my game significantly. And like with stickers, you need to just go to the very bottom to select text right here, and then you can type in whatever you want, change the font, and I also recommend highlighting your text as well. To do the highlighting, simply tap on the A icon on the left, the far left, and you can actually toggle between different styles. I like to make them semi-transparent so it looks a little bit nicer with the background, and you can also change their colors as well. And again, like with stickers, because you're adding in multiple captions, one for each scene or a couple of scenes, you also need to set the durations for each caption to make them show up and disappear at the correct times. And it's the same thing again, just tap on the text, then select set duration to do so, just like with the stickers. Alright, and now with the text and stickers both added in and adjusted, we're almost done. The last couple of things I'm gonna do is add in some background music and also adjust the volume so that my voice stays louder than the music. And again, to add music, simply tap on the icon on the bottom left that says sound, and then you can actually select from a very large variety of tracks. So let me actually fast forward a little bit. Alright, here it is. And in this case, I'm actually gonna search for the infamous Game of Thrones title theme. As you can see, there are even different versions of it, and you can also bookmark the songs you like. So here I'm actually going to select the third one, and after I select this clip, and after it loads up, I need to adjust my volume as I just said, right? So to do so, notice at the very top right, there are these different options I can select, followed by an arrow at the bottom, right? And what you actually need to do is click on this arrow, so I'm actually going to do that right here in this clip. Alright, and after it expands, you want to actually tap on the volume option over here, okay, at the very bottom, okay? And after you do so, it's going to say original sound and added sound. The added sound refers to the music clip that you added, right? And so you want to actually adjust that so it's softer, right? Typically you want to make your voice louder than the music. So here I'm actually going to make original sound the maximum volume that I can, and then make the added sound about 10 or 20% depending on, you know, how loud it actually is and just judging by ear. Alright, and with that, the video clip is nearly done. I actually add another sticker at the very end that says link in bio to enhance my call to action. So that's the only thing that I add in addition to this. And with that, I actually can save my clip. And so what you want to do is hit the next button on the bottom right, and then, whoops, that is going to take you to the page where you actually fill in your descriptions, hashtags, this is important, and you can also select the cover for your video clip. I usually just use the first few seconds as the cover, it doesn't really matter too much. So with this, I just need to include some hashtags. When you type in the hashtag, it actually also tells you how many people or videos that rather are within that hashtag, which is useful information as well. And I think you can include about 10 hashtags before you max out your caption. And just one final tip I have for you guys regarding the captions positioning on your video clips is this is specifically for your cover. So when you actually do your cover, it actually crops out the very top and the very bottom of your screen. So with that, what you want to do is, if you want to include your caption within that cover, which ideally you would want to have, let me just rewind a little bit so you can see better. For your captions, or at least the first caption that you have on your first page that you want to include in your cover, you want to definitely have your caption a little bit on the lower side. So it's not going to be at the very top is what I mean, okay? So something positioned around my forehead or like a few centimeters below the top of your screen will be ideal. And finally, don't forget to add in your affiliate link or whatever link you want to promote within your bio so that people can actually have something to click on to make you money. Speaking of which, if you'd like to learn about how I and many others have been earning passive income online, in many cases actually using TikTok, be sure to click on the first link in the description below for my top recommended affiliate marketing training. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Like the video if you liked it or found it helpful, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more cutting edge videos about making money online and digital entrepreneurship just like this one. And with that, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.